Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the Lenovo ThinkPad E14 and discussing why it may be considered non-reparable for many users. First, let's talk about the tools you'll need for any maintenance or inspection. You will require a Phillips No. 1 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an ESD strap to prevent static damage. Begin by removing the bottom cover. This involves unscrewing the 8 Phillips screws located around the edges of the laptop. Keep track of these screws. You can use a magnetic tray to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, carefully use your plastic spudger to pry open the bottom cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold it in place. Once inside, you may notice that components like the battery and the storage drive are soldered onto the motherboard. This is a common design choice in modern laptops, limiting user repairability. If your laptop is experiencing issues such as poor battery life or slow performance, you might be tempted to replace these parts. However, due to their soldered connections, this isn't feasible without specialized equipment and skills. If you're unsure about what's wrong with your device, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great way to understand the exact issues without committing to repairs right away. Next, let's talk about cleaning. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, which is detrimental to your laptop's performance. Use compressed air to gently blow out dust from the vents and fans. Hold the can upright to prevent moisture from entering the device. Cleaning out your laptop regularly can extend its lifespan significantly. After cleaning, it's important to check the RAM slots and SSD connections. While some models allow for RAM upgrades, the E14 often has soldered components. If you find that your RAM is removable, ensure it's seated properly to avoid performance issues. For those who prefer not to handle these tasks themselves, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Now, if you notice any damage to the keyboard or screen, it's crucial to approach these repairs with caution. Replacing a keyboard on the ThinkPad E14 might require you to remove the entire top cover, which is a complex process. If you're not comfortable doing this, consider reaching out to a professional service. We can provide a quote before any repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront and avoid unexpected expenses. Finally, let's summarize the key takeaways. The Lenovo ThinkPad E14 presents challenges when it comes to repairs due to its design. Many internal components are soldered, making DIY repairs impractical. Regular maintenance like cleaning and proper usage can help mitigate some issues. And if you encounter problems, don't hesitate to contact us for a professional diagnosis. With services like no calls, no travel, and flexible pickup options, we're here to help you keep your device running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.